super monster here on dyno here this afternoon. That would be one of our little small block Windsor engines. This is a 427 cubic inch Windsor motor. Start out with a nice Dart racing block. Got a forged rotating assembly, forged crank, H-beam rod, forged piston, nice roller camshaft in it. We got some AFR cylinder heads on this. All good pieces. Again, if you build good pieces, you got a great motor. This thing just made 622 horsepower and 620 foot-pounds of torque. Made over 500 horsepower at 4,000 RPM. Hey, look, it don't get any better, it don't get any easier. You want something, you want to buy a good engine, give us a call, we'll be happy to put something together. This thing ain't even done, it's getting some beautiful valve covers and a nice air cleaner, more serpentine kit. But again, we want to get them done, we want to get them run. Hey, thanks for logging on. One of your interests, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Thank you.